Hello guys, welcome back to Automaz channel. Triumph has done it again. After making waves with the Speed Twin and the Trident, the British manufacturer is ready to shake up the lightweight class with the 2026 Triumph Speed 400 upcoming model. Designed to bring the brand's premium DNA into a smaller, more accessible package, this bike represents the next chapter of Triumph's evolution. It's a motorcycle built not just for beginners, but for anyone who craves the perfect balance of style, performance, and heritage. And trust me, this one's going to turn heads in every city it rolls into. One look at the Speed 400, and you immediately know it's a Triumph. From its sculpted fuel tank to its classic round headlight and clean tail section, this bike screams vintage elegance mixed with modern aggression. The 2026 model refines that design even further with sharper lines, premium materials, and stunning color options like matte jet black, Carnival Red, and Phantom Silver. Every inch of this machine reflects Triumph's craftsmanship. Nothing looks cheap or rushed. It's compact, muscular, and unmistakably British. Simply put, it's a small bike with the soul of a legend. Underneath its refined exterior lies a 398 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine developed in collaboration with Bajaj. Don't let the displacement fool you. This motor packs around 40 horsepower and 27 lb-ft of torque, enough to make city commutes thrilling and weekend rides exciting. With a 6-speed gearbox, slipper clutch, and smooth throttle response, it's designed for both new riders and experienced enthusiasts who appreciate precision. The Speed 400's lightweight frame and short wheelbase give it razor-sharp handling, making it one of the most fun bikes to ride in its class. Triumph has engineered the Speed 400 to feel premium in every way. The seat height is a comfortable 31 inches, perfect for riders of all sizes, and the ergonomics strike a great balance between sporty and relaxed. The upside-down front forks and monoshock rear suspension absorb bumps with ease, while the wide handlebars offer confident control in tight turns. Whether you're carving through twisty roads or cruising downtown, the Speed 400 feels smooth, stable, and incredibly well-built. It's a small bike that rides like a big one, mature, planted, and solid. Triumph didn't cut corners on tech either. The 2026 Speed 400 comes with ride-by-wire throttle, switchable traction control, and dual-channel ABS as standard. The semi-digital instrument cluster offers modern functionality while maintaining a classic aesthetic. Analog speedometer on one side, LCD info screen on the other. LED lighting all around adds a premium touch, while the USB-C charging port ensures your devices stay powered on the go. It's smart, modern, and safety-focused, everything you'd expect from Triumph, just in a more compact package. Now, here's the best part. The 2026 Triumph Speed 400 is expected to be priced around $5,499 in the United States. That's right, for just over $5,000, you're getting authentic British design, world-class engineering, and premium quality that rivals bikes costing twice as much. It's positioned to compete directly with models like the KTM Duke 390 and Yamaha MT-03, but Triumph's attention to detail gives it a refined edge. This isn't just a motorcycle, it's a statement that premium performance doesn't have to come with a premium price tag. The 2026 Triumph Speed 400 isn't just another entry-level motorcycle. It's a revolution in what a small displacement bike can be. It blends the brand's timeless design with cutting-edge engineering and everyday usability. Whether you're a new rider looking for your first Triumph or a seasoned enthusiast who appreciates quality in every bolt, this bike is set to impress. Stylish, affordable, and authentically British, the Speed 400 proves that small can be mighty, and that Triumph's future is brighter than ever. So here's the real question. When it finally hits the streets, will you be ready to ride the future of Triumph?